what BI is all about. Now, what is BI? BI stands for Business Intelligence. It's quite simple. Uh, Way of understanding BI is that first you have a need, then you collect the data, then you analyze the data, then you visualize the data, and finally it serves the purpose of decision making. So it's quite simple, guys. Companies are maintaining the data, they don't know how to analyze the data, so they hire a BI expert, they dig into the data to analyze it, and then they visualize the data and present it in front of the consumer of the report. Based on that, they make the informed decision. So this whole cycle is being facilitated by BI. This is what we known as business intelligence process, right? Now let's talk about what is Power BI. Now it's quite simple, guys. Power BI is been introduced by Microsoft Corporation and is a tool to facilitate the BI process. The BI process which I've just explained to you, this is the tool through which you can do it, because without a tool it is just a theoretical process. It is not possible to do. You must be having a tool which facilitate that, and Power BI is such tool.